Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. Now if you follow me on my Instagram page, you must have seen that I ordered some rare beauty products, and I promised you guys that I will be using all of them on the camera with you guys for the first time. So today I'm going to do just that. I'm going to use all of my rare beauty products on camera with you guys, and I'm going to share my first reviews about the brand, how it works on Indian skin, and just everything about how I feel about the brand. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Now I did not buy everything that the brand has, but I do have almost a full face of rare beauty products. First of all, I'm going to prime my face, and I did not buy their primer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless primer to just add a bit of slip to the skin. Now I did buy the Rare Beauty foundation. This is their Liquid Touch Weightless foundation, and I have it in the shade 260N. Now this is what the foundation looks like. This is the packaging. The shade is a bit too dark for me, I believe, but let me swatch it on the face. And it comes with this huge doe foot applicator to apply the foundation. Now I'm going to apply it directly on my face. I'm not going with too much of it because I am not sure about the coverage it gives, so let's go with a smaller amount first and then see how it covers up the entire face. I also bought their beauty sponge. I'm going to use this for the entire makeup today. Now it's a bit yellow toned for me, but I think I can make it work. Now from first blending it out, it looks really nice and very lightweight on the skin. This is more of a fuller coverage foundation, I would say, and looking up close, it will cling to your dry patches, so you definitely need to make sure that you prep your skin really well for this foundation. But it is looking super seamless and very weightless on the face. It does not look like you've applied a lot of foundation, and it has given me a really nice, almost a full coverage. The sponge also is a really beautiful sponge. It is not like your regular beauty sponge, and the texture on this is really porous, if you can see up close, but it actually is doing a beautiful job at just blending out the makeup. So my first thoughts on this foundation is it is a really nice foundation. I would say it is more suitable for normal to oily skin types. If you have a dry skin type, you definitely need a good layer of moisturizing primer underneath this foundation, but it is super lightweight and just like a beautiful veil on the face. It does not look heavy at all. Now I also have their concealer. This is the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, and I have it in the shade 250W. And this is what the concealer looks like. It just looks like a smaller version of the foundation. It also comes with a nice angled doe foot applicator. I'm going to apply it just on my under eyes and on the center of my face, just where I usually apply my concealer. And I'm going to use the same beauty sponge to blend it out as well. And then whatever is left on the sponge, I'm also going to take it on my eyelids. It is a beautiful concealer. It is blending out so seamlessly, and you cannot even see it on your under eyes. It is a beautiful concealer. This also is almost a fuller coverage kind of a concealer, and it is giving a very beautiful and a very seamless finish to the under eyes. It does not look heavy at all. In fact, it looks like nothing at all, and it is blending out like a dream. Wow, I actually love this concealer very much. I mean, it is not even settling into my fine lines. It looks so beautiful. Now I did not buy their blotting powder thingy, but I'm going to set just my under eyes. I'm not going to set the rest of my face because I do have some other cream products to try out, but just to stop the concealer from creasing, I'm using my Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. And with the same beauty sponge, I'm going to very lightly set my under eyes with this. I'm actually loving the finish this concealer is giving me, and it's absolutely stunning. Now next for the blush, I did buy one of their soft pinch matte liquid blush in the shade Love. It is a beautiful terracotta orangish kind of a shade. It looks super intense in the tube, but let's see how it looks on the face. This also has a doe foot kind of an applicator. I'm going to directly dot it on the face with the applicator. I'm not applying too much of it because I'm not sure about the pigmentation, and I'm using the same beauty sponge to blend it out. It adds that beautiful and a very natural looking flush of color to the face. It blends out so nicely. I mean, it has blended out into just a flush of color, and the shade is absolutely stunning. It looks really nice and very natural. I mean, it's the perfect shade for Indian skin tones, I would say, but you definitely need to make sure that you blend it out really quickly, because otherwise it will settle and then it will not move. And trust me, less is more with this product. It's super pigmented. You do not need too much of it, just a dot or two, and it will blend out beautifully. I'm taking it up to the temples, and I'm also taking whatever is left on my sponge on my nose and on my chin. I'm not adding more product here. And it just looks like you've been out in the sun, and it gives a very beautiful and a very natural sun-kissed look to the face. Now I think they do not have a bronzer in their collection, so I'm just going to use my Guerlain Terracotta bronzer to add a bit of bronze. And next up, before moving forward, I'm going to quickly go ahead and fill my eyebrows off the camera. And I'm back. Now coming on to the eyes, she does have a few eyeshadow palettes in her collection, but you guys know I don't usually use a lot of eyeshadow on my channel or in my life as well. So I prefer investing in single eyeshadows that I will get more use out of. So I just bought one of their Stay Vulnerable liquid eyeshadows in the shade Nearly Neutral. It's a beautiful peachy-ish kind of a shade, and let's see how it works. I'm going to apply it directly on the eyelid. It's a very beautiful neutral peachy kind of a shade, and then with a fluffy blending brush I'm going to just blend it out. It blends out so seamlessly and gives a really nice look to the eyes. It is not patchy at all, and I did powder my eyelids because I forgot that I have to use a liquid eyeshadow, but still on top of the powder also it looks and it blends out super easily. Now they did recently launch their mascara, but by the time I had placed the order, the mascara had not come out, so I do not have their mascara in my collection. So I'm going to add some of my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara to my eyelashes. Now coming on to the highlighter, I do have their Positive Light Liquid Luminizer in the shade Mesmerize. And the packing on it is almost the same as the foundation. It is a beautiful rose gold kind of a shade, and it has the same doe foot as the blush. I'm going to dot a few dots of it on the highest points of my face, and I'm going to try blending it out using the same beauty sponge. It blends out so beautifully and adds such a stunning glow to the face. It looks very natural and, you know, very beautiful, and just like you're glowing from within. I absolutely love this highlighter. I want to add a bit more of the highlight to my brow bone and on the inner corner of the eye. So I'm taking out a tiny bit of it onto the back of my hand, and I'm using my finger to apply it on these areas. I'm actually loving the whole line of cosmetics from them. They are all super beautiful. Lastly, coming on to the lips, I have two shades of the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream. I bought the shade Transform in the full size, and I have the shade Fearless in a mini size, which came free with the order, I believe. I'm not sure which shade to use today. I think I'll go for the burgundy. It has that beautiful moussey texture to it and looks more like a lip tint, and it is extremely comfortable on the lips. Now I also want to try out the other lip color. I'm not really liking the vibe of this lip color with this makeup. Now I'm going to try out the other shade, which is Fearless. It is more of a beautiful nude mauvey kind of a shade, and let's see how it looks. It is a beautiful mauvey peachy nude, and it just looks like your lips but better. The formula on these lipsticks is just effortless. I mean, it looks matte, right? But you can still rub your lips together. The finish on this is still super creamy. It's very comfortable on the lips, and I absolutely love this lip color. And well, yeah guys, that is it for today's video. This is the final finished makeup look using all of my Rare Beauty products, and trust me guys, I have completely fallen in love with each and every product that I've used in today's video. I would just say that for the foundation, you definitely need to moisturize your skin really well before applying it, because it is a tad bit of a matte finish, but it looks absolutely stunning and very effortless on the face. I mean, it just looks like your skin but better. And the rest of all the products that I've used in today's video, I absolutely have fallen in love with each and every product. Now again, Rare Beauty is still not available in India, but you can either get your hands on it through somebody who is coming to India from abroad, or through those online stores that give you access to international brands. And trust me guys, you should definitely try out these products. They are phenomenal, and the complete line of products from Rare Beauty is just phenomenal and very effortless. Yeah, that is it for today's video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.